Hi besties, and welcome back to another day in the vlog. So today it's a Saturday. It's Saturday the 12th of October, and I'm just getting ready to go into town. I just have a few errands to run, so I'm just getting ready. It's around 20 to 1 right now. I'm a bit late. I was supposed to leave around 10, but yeah, I slept at 6 o'clock, at 6 a.m. and woke up around 9, so yeah, there was no way I was going to leave the house at 10. So I'm just going to apply my sunscreen using this Wish M1. You can see Wish M. Oh god, let me spell it. The sunscreen. Okay, right. Okay. It's a very hot day today, like it's really hot. I wish I didn't have to go to town, but I have to. So the least I can do is to make sure that I'm safe. Just going to carry a cap for extra protection. And also some shades. So let me show you guys my outfit. So I'm just wearing this string top. I don't know if you guys can see. Just wearing this olive green string top, and I'm wearing some denim shorts, and I'm also wearing black slides. I'll put you guys back here and see if you can see my outfit properly. Okay, so what I'm wearing, these are the shoes. So let's get going. Forgot something. This is the perfume that I'm going to wear. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's an imitation for Jadot. So and I'm also going to use this Scandal by Jean Paul Gaultier. And we are done. Okay. Hi guys. So Jesus Christ. Hi besties, so now I'm in town. I'm just going to go into Texas first and then I'll speak to you guys later. The price for chicken is $5. Yo sé, el paco na yendo no tiene llamado.
Maybe they are lying. Hi besties, we've come to the end of this vlog where I was just running errands in town. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. Excuse the chickens outside, they'll be making noise. So I got this headband. I need to shoot something, so I need this to hold my hair back. Yeah, I need to record a skincare video, so I'm going to use this one. So I got this, and then I got underwear. I'm not going to show you my underwear, guys. And I also got, I had to top up my Dove, so I got this two. I got these two. This is the coconut milk one, so I got two of these Dove cream bars. And I also got these balls, these hair balls, the clips, the fancy one. I'm sure you all know these guys from Shein, but I got these in town. These were $2 each. I think the price is quite fair. I couldn't find some of the colors that I wanted because I wanted white and I also wanted a pink, like hot pink, but I could only find these two colors, and there was also red with polka dots, with white polka dots. I'm not really a fan of red, so I didn't take that one. So I got these. I also got relish, I got vegetables, but I've already used some of that stuff. So thank you guys for joining me in this vlog. I don't know which episode of Vlogtober we are on, but thank you so much for joining me. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the besties. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up by hitting the like button down below. So until the next vlog, it's goodbye from me. Bye.